Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize notifications in Slack. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through a simple way to tailor your Slack notification sound so you can catch important messages without getting overwhelmed. This walkthrough uses the Slack desktop experience, and the layout is the same whether you're in the desktop app or a web browser. Start by opening Slack and heading into any channel. It doesn't matter which one you choose. We're just using it as a starting point to access your settings. Look down to the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Click that to open a small menu with options related to your account and workspace. From that menu, select Preferences. This opens a dedicated settings window where all of your personalization options live. Preferences is a central place to fine-tune how Slack behaves, from themes and language to notifications, which is what we're focusing on today. In the Preferences window, choose Notifications. This section controls when you're notified, how you're notified, and the sound Slack plays. It's a great place to revisit if you ever feel like you're missing messages or getting pinged too often. Once you're in Notifications, scroll down until you reach the area for notification sounds. Depending on your version, it may be labeled something like Sound or Sound and Appearance. This is where you can adjust the tone Slack uses, so you can pick something subtle or something that stands out in a busy environment. Click the Notification Sound drop-down. You'll see a list of available tones. As you move through the options, Slack can play a preview so you know exactly what it will sound like. If you don't hear anything, make sure your device volume isn't muted and that Slack isn't silenced by your operating system's focus settings. Now, select the sample sound you prefer. Think about your workday when deciding a softer chime might be ideal if you receive frequent messages, while a brighter, more distinct tone can help you notice high-priority updates. Your choice applies to this workspace and takes effect immediately, so you'll hear it the next time a notification arrives. That's it. You open Slack, accessed your profile menu, went into Preferences, selected Notifications, scrolled to the Sound section, opened the drop-down, and chose a sample sound. With this small adjustment, your notifications become more intentional and less intrusive. If your needs change later, return to the same spot and pick a different sound. Thanks for following along, and enjoy a Slack experience that sounds just right for you.